Hey everyone, the Wolves here. You know something? I should make a T-shirt saying, "Hey everyone, the Wolves here." I say that every time. I think I'm gonna do it. Oh, I digress. Hey everyone, the Wolves here. It's that time of the week. It's the day at today's still Wednesday, but it's the day after Thanksgiving. I was gonna say Thanksgiving. It's the day I have a new comic book. It's the day after new comic book day. Oh, jeez, I need some sleep. So I'm here like I always am, and I'm here to tell you what I got. And I hope everyone got what they wanted. Um, I'm missing a book because I thought Strange was supposed to come out today, and it wasn't on the shelf. So I guess maybe if it was supposed to coming today, I'll get it next week. But it is what it is. So I got my books. Not a big week. Not a big week at all. I got my bling bling, and I bought some bags and boards as I was running out. Oh, hold on. I also received. Make sure I do this right. My mystery mail call. This is July, right? July. And a couple of weeks ago, I did June because I guess he had issues getting them out. No big deal. But I also have that to open today. So since it's getting late here, and this old man's gonna get some sleep. Let's get the stretching out. All right, let's get this done. So this is Thursday, 7 o'clock. It's the train wreck. You know that because you're here. If you see it on the rewind, well, you could see this when it first comes out on the premiere. If you hook on to at 7 o'clock on a Thursday, but I appreciate that you're watching me. So here we go. Are you ready? Let's get the camera going. Boom. Oh, I forgot to plug up the lens. Huh? If I know how to edit, you wouldn't see that, but I don't know how to edit, so here we go. I think I put a mark here for me to do this. I don't know. Here we go. Boom. Can you see that? I'm going to keep my arms down. Because when I do this, it kind of screws. Oh, it's not doing it now. What the hell? Okay. So, Robin 16. I'm still picking this up. And I'm still on the fence, but I'm still picking it up because I want to know what's going on. So, I mean, at the end, what? Robin 15, was it Lord Death washes up on the beach, saying that, Robin needs to go find Flatline. That's how it ended. So I assume he's going to go look for Flatline over here. Again, I didn't read it. I haven't read this yet. So, I don't know. But let's open it up and find out. Ooh. You should have saved me. But instead, you sided with dear old Daddy Bats. You left me with Slade. Well, that just sucks, doesn't it? Oh, it's a dream. People on the beach. See? There's Lord Death over there. He's telling him to kill me. Anyways. The guy should look at that face. Look at his face. He's on a beach, right? He's on an island. Get some sunscreen or something. He wouldn't look. He needs a tan at least. But anyways, so there you go. He's going. So I'm still reading it. There's been a couple of books I've been cutting. Okay, I've been cutting back, and there's still a couple of books I might want to cut back on. And this is on that list. But we'll see how the book goes. I'm still, Williamson's still doing it. Cruz is drawing it still. The art, I enjoy the art. The art fits the book. I think so. It fits the read. And Williamson is still writes well. So I'm going to keep getting it until I don't like it anymore. It's on the fence, but the fence is kind of thick. So it's not leaning back and forth yet. Maybe if a big wind comes down, maybe, but right now it's just sitting there. So we'll see. I got my bling bling. No. Oh, I gotta do this way you can see my eye. No, you can't because I'm a little picture over there. Here we go. Boom, done. All right, I'll put that right there. Next one. Oh, there you go. Deathstroke Inc. number 11. Now they're doing the year 1 on him. And this is another one that's on the fence. Thick fence. So it's just regurgitating how he became Deathstroke. You know, we'll see. You know, we'll see. Look, Grant's a little guy, so cute. I'm gonna keep getting it. I don't but believe me, this is on a fence too. So I can't say hey, nay, I like it. I'm reading it. I like it still, but if there has to be any cuts on my list, this is one of them. Okay, I was enjoying the art before this guy copped on Soy. I'm not loving this art. Looks flat. There's nothing to it. Here you go. But that looks just flat. It does. It's not making me want to do anything other than do that. So the art's not giving it to me. And the writing, to be honest with you, I haven't read the first issue of this this arc. So we'll see how it goes. Okay? But I'm not going to tell you buy it. Not just yet. Okay? I have to be honest with you. This might be on bag it and forget about it. Look at that. You're gonna love technology. Okay, this one is it's a first issue. Maybe just a cover by. It's Gambit 1. Peach Momoka. Would you care for a Momoka? Okay, Mimosa? Yeah, there you go. Would you care for a mimosa? Nobody knows what that is, but my wife would know when she sees this tomorrow. Would you care for a mimosa? So this it's a Gambit 1. Again. There's been Gambit 1s before. So let's see what's going on here. First time I'm opening this up. To be honest with you. Hey, Chris Claremont is writing it. Could be something going on here. Sid Cotton, I don't know what his name is. Cotton. He's an artist. So far, looks okay. I've seen better. Oh, there's a young Storm. Looks like it. Who else is it? Who else has the hair? Storm. Storm. Does he say Storm? Sorry. Did you do? I don't understand, Remy. Why do you make me? Did you know I can read upside down? I don't see Storm yet. He didn't say the word yet. All right, somebody stop that kid. I take my glasses off for this. That's the only reason why I turned it around. Doo, doo, doo. Yep, that's her. So, oh, duh. Zzz, spark. We'll see how it goes. I mean, they've done Gambit #1, Gambit miniseries, you know. We'll see how it is. It's a Chris Claremont. We'll see. There you go. Okay. Patch #4. Wolverine. Patch #4. The read's okay. I read the first one. I liked it. I did. Before the show, before the taping, I read 2 and 3. There's some androids in here. Nick Fury sent down the mandroids. And it's a Nick Fury Senior. See? It's Nick Fury Senior. You can tell by the gray hair. Actually, you can tell by he has hair. Okay. It's a #4. What? There's maybe two more issues. If you're into Wolverine cutting off heads, this is the book for you. He's slashing. He's dicing. He's doing make some julienne fries over here. Yeah. It's like snicking, snick. He's doing that all over the place. Well, like some guy's throwing some hand grenades. Yeah, this is they're a mutant couple with a mutant baby. They're from Russia. They're the main people are trying to find them. Wolverine fought them, but now he's working with them to protect them. Ooh, right in the back of the head. Look at look. There's a good one. There's got to be a good one here. Ooh, look at that. I should do it this way so you can see them, right? Right. Let's go back to these. Firing some guns. Oh, look! I knew that was going to be a good one. Look at that. Right into a tree. Wait for the trade. I mean, this is #4. It's going to be ending soon. If not next month, the month after. Wait for the trade. But if you're into Wolverine going, he's not eating a sandwich in this one. You know, he's not eating a sandwich. He's not holding back. He's shickety shtick. And he's drawing some blood. So, wait for the trade. Okay? Where's my phone? Okay. All right. Last but not least, like I said, it was a short one today. Oh, yeah, back this puppy. Number 25. Something's killing the children, but the way I always say it is, something's killing the kids. A little it's a little. Look at that. She's doing a job. So Erica is going off. She's going off grid. She's not obeying the rules. She's doing a job, but she's doing it her way. Now it seems like they're hunting her down because she's not following the rules. She's being messy. So, look, something's killing the children. See? This one's also on a thick fence, but it's a good read. It is. It's a good series. So this fence is probably thicker than the other ones are. And I got this one to match. Oh. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yeah. Ooh, to match this one. Huh, look at that. You gotta love a gimmick. You gotta love a gimmick cover. You have to. If you bought books in the 90s, late 80s, that's all you did was buy gimmick covers. So why not? Let's keep it going. So this is it's a great read. It is. It's a great read. The art fits the book. Now the other one, you can say, oh, the other one was flat. Yes, the other one was flat. But just the way shading is done on here, just a little around the lips, in the hair, under the eyes, makes it 100 times better than what was in the other book. The art and the shading in the Deathstroke book was flat, lifeless, nothing. This there's not a lot of detail, but just the shading in the certain places pops it out. Pops it out. Even this makes it less flat. Much better. It's the art is simple, shading is simple, well, the ink, whatever, is simple, and it only brings out the reading, brings out the words, makes the story much better. The art in here helps the story. I don't think it happens in the Deathstroke book. That's my opinion. It's my show. I've been on for almost 18 minutes. There you go. Okay. So that's done. Now, let's put this over here because it still has to be read. I got a pile over here to put away. All right. It's time for this. It's July mystery mail call. Huh? Did you see that? One thumb I did that. I'm dangerous. Alright. Can I close it? Who cares? Alright. Are you ready for this? Dun 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 dun. Alright. Alright. There you go. Oh, great. They changed it. Now you gotta scan this to get the information. One moment, please. I'm going to open another browser. I hope this doesn't slow down the machine. Okay. Did not expect this. Scan me. I'll go to ComicTom. Okay. Whoop, can't spell that. All right. Newsletter. There we go. Okay. All right. So this is the July newsletter back. So Darth Vader connecting newsletter by Nate Made It. That's what it's called. Nate Made It. Position to the left of the June newsletter. June newsletter? Alright, hold on. won't find it. Watch, I won't find it. Ah, don't worry about it. I am not going to find it. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. All right. X-Force Annual 1 from 1992. Guaranteed I got 2 of these. Now I got 3. Shut us out. Okay. So, yeah. This is the 1992 issue 1 of the annual X-Force, mass-produced. I probably have 2 of these. Now I got 3 of them. So let's put this in. You can tell I'm a boomer. I have to take my glasses off. Oh, look. Can you see this? Oh. I do have 2 of them. I wasn't lying. Oh, jeez. You're going to love it. Okay. Told you I had 2 of them. All right, hold on. I did that totally wrong. Okay. In. Told you I had 2 of them. Okay, here we go. Ah, there we go. This is Cat Dad. All right. Let's. It's not in his. It's not in his newsletter. Okay, so this is, I assume, from Scout Comics. Yep, Scout Comics. Number 1. It's Cat Dad and Super Mom. An homage to Batman. This, I assume, all brand new adventures from Cat. I am assuming that this is the family book, family safe book, one for kids. Okay, so let's go. Let's get out of that. Let's go to here. Cat Dad. And it's not in here. Okay, I'll put it in later. Ooh, this is a gimme. Look at this. This is a Daredevil 1 from Gary Frank. There's 1 per box. But I want you to see it. There you go. That's cool, huh? All right, let's put this in. Is it this one? No, it can't be this one. Yes, it is. Boom, it's in. That's cool, huh? That's awesome, actually. Very cool. Oh, Ranger Stranger. This is for, mature reader. It's a Scout 1 exclusive. I saw this on the shelf. I was when it first came out. It came out, I don't know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago. But I didn't know if I wanted to spend the money on it. It's crude. It's rude. It's mature. All right, let's get this going back here. Ranger Stranger. What the hey? Ranger Stranger. Why is it not doing it? Let's do it again. Ranger Stranger. Oh, here we go. Okay. Added. Okay, so this is the Hail Crow, King of Hell. This is the sketch cover. Mystery Mail Call exclusive. You will get one of the 3, not all, writer Javan Jordan, cover artist Nate Made It. So Nate Made It is like getting popular over there. He did the Darth Vader, and he did this one. So there was 3 of them. There was a regular one that was I don't know if I can do that. No, I don't know if I can. There was a regular one which was had red and blues in it. This is the sketch one, and there was a What Not Yellow. So, but I got the sketch. Oop, let me put this over here. Hey, am I missing something? Where's my, I'm missing something. I didn't get my exclusive art print for a Nova from Net Made It. Well, let me put this in. Okay. I know, Tom, you're not going to watch this, but I didn't get my my Nova print. Okay, what is the name of this thing? Hail Crow. All right. Boop, boop. All right. I didn't get my Hail Crow. It's not in a box. Okay, let's get back to there. Let's go through these, make sure. There's the Hail Crow. There's the Nate Made It. There's the, oh, here it is. Found it. Ranger Stranger. And I did find it. Sorry, Tom. There is the Nova from Nate Made It. This is number 1008 out of 2100. I knew Tom wasn't going to let me down. All right, that's it. That's all. I talked for almost 30 minutes. So why do I keep scratching myself? So hold on. That's the train wreck for the, what's the date today? For July 27th, 2022. Thank you very much for watching me. Ring the bell. Subscribe if you just found me in the plethora of videos on YouTube. Sub me up, because this train wreck, this is what you get every Thursday. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for the people who subscribe. Thanks for the people who watch it, leave comments, or hit the bell so they know I'm always when I come on. I appreciate that. I really do. Thank you. Oh, and Captain Sorrow and Simple Simon, you guys always call me out every time. I'm calling you out. So there you go. Thank you. So that's the show. And I got half a minute. I want to do 30. So thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. This is the train wreck. I'm still watching. I still got 15 seconds left. And yeah, I'll take another sip. Oh, no, 10 seconds left. No, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.